Ultra-Shear's flat-top grooving table saw blades produce the clean, crisp, flat bottom cut that can take your joinery to new heights in no time. We grind each top bevel flat, allowing them to remove slightly more material than an alternating top bevel, while creating a dead flat 1/8 inch dado or groove. And the 40 tooth count produces glassy smooth results in hardwoods and softwoods alike. This carbide-tipped grooving blade enables professional quality results everywhere a dado stack can, and a few spots where it can't. Pair it with our rip flip to create clean, easy, and repeatable dados in a few quick passes without the cleanup after. Save time and make perfect finger joints with minimal setup. Deploy a flip stop to cut half flap and tenon shoulders, then slide down to remove the rest of your waist. This unique flat top blade produces a perfectly squared off kerf, making them great for interlocking joints like Kamiko grids. And because we've optimized these blades to quickly remove material while maintaining a smooth surface, they excel in general ripping and crosscut applications as well. Like the rest of our professional grade saw blades, each flat top blade features the same premium American steel plate at its core. Woodpeckers continues to develop the Ultra-Shear saw blade line with the goal of improving your woodworking while saving you money. Stay tuned to your inbox or visit us online to see what's coming next.